Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric wood chippers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the heavy-duty wood chipper 4-cycle Viper engine by Earthquake. This high-performance electric wood chipper is constructed from the best quality materials which make it pretty durable and is definitely built to last. It comes in a medium size, not too big and not too small, which will be super convenient for you to store it anywhere you want without worrying that it might take up too much space. It's pretty easy and simple to use with the high-capacity wood chips bag that consists of a zipper. Plus, this product comes in set with many other accessories including vacuum, rotor and air gate. Moving on at number 4, we have the electric silent wood chipper by Sun Joe. This electric wood chipper is made from the best quality materials and is pretty durable and long-lasting. It works perfectly to shred the woods and branches into chips and is incredibly quiet while operating so that you won't feel disturbed at all. It consists of a locking system that will be able to prevent the chipper from working when it is opened. Plus, the durable wheels will make it super convenient for you to move it easily without requiring much energy. At number 3, we have the electric garden chipper with safety locking knob Powersmart. This electric wood chipper is constructed from high-quality materials with high-tech features. It will work powerfully to chew down all the woods and sticks in just a blink of an eye. It comes with heavy-duty wheels to help you with portability. The sleek and slim design will make it fit perfectly in your garage as well as other places and won't require much storage space as well. Plus, the safety lock will help prevent it from operating when it's open to ensure your safety. This electric wood chipper is quite simple and easy to use and doesn't produce too much noise, which is super convenient. At number 2, we have the wood chipper shredder by Landswork. Another high-quality wood chipper from Landswork that will be able to satisfy you entirely with its qualities and features. It can be easily attached to a truck, which will be pretty convenient to transport it all over the lawn effortlessly. It doesn't produce much noise when operating, which won't disturb you at all. It's quite simple to operate. All you have to do is to follow the instruction correctly. Plus, this wood chipper will be super safe for you. It will work powerfully to chew down the branches and sticks into shredded chips. The heavy-duty handle and wheels will allow you to move it easily without having to use much of your energy. And finally at number 1, we have the rolling electric wood chippers by Wen. This premium wood chipper will be one of the perfect products that you need to own if you have a lawn or a big garden. It functions perfectly to shred the branches and sticks into chips in just a short amount of time. It's pretty simple to operate and will save you so much time as well. You will find this product incredibly quiet when operating and won't give you any inconvenience at all. The 15-amp motor allows it to make up to 8,000 cuts in just a minute. Plus, the locking system will also be able to prevent it from operating when the chippers are widely opened. It will be able to ensure your safety and cut down the high risk of getting injured. This wood chipper is quite convenient for storage. It won't take up too much space and will fit in everywhere easily. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.